They got the body work done. They're going to have this truck wrapped next week. Be ready for summer monster truck shows all winter long. We're ready. Ricky Fowler getting it done right there. You gotta realize that's a flying lake with them big tires trying to fly. Run up about 2,500, 3,000 pounds for these little trucks. Ricky Fowler in Mudzilla.